Okay, here's a quickie hint for you on oiling control cables. This is the brand new clutch cable on the Ratty Rod. It was assembled from, bulk housing and bulk inner wire. It was bone dry. So I put a piece of hose on there, taped it up around the bottom here to keep it from, leaking as much as possible, and just got a squirt oil can and filled this up with motor oil. The oil level started here, and in, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it's gone down to here, but it will eventually seep down and oil the entire cable. And that's a good way to lube an old Harley clutch cable.